What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, man. Offset Trucking. As you're looking here, this is my backyard. This is the new house, okay? This is the new house that I just got. Look at the backyard, y'all. That thing is huge, like huge. But anyway, let me show you guys around. So we just got in. We haven't really done nothing yet. Put some stuff in. So we gotta do some cleaning. But before I do that, when you get here, this is my kitchen, y'all. See the kitchen? This kitchen, nothing is here yet. But one thing I don't like about it, that stove. I don't like that stove because I feel like it's too old, but can't deal with it. I did turn everything on. All those three works, but this one is not working, which I'm gonna have to call the landlord to let the landlord know. And by the way, I haven't tried the small, right? I haven't tried the stove yet, but anyway. And then second thing I don't really like is the small fridge, y'all. I had like a 2-door fridge, like big fridge. I got it back to that simple fridge, but it's all good. I can buy me another one. So good. I can buy me another one and leave, put that one out. So when you walk in here, still the kitchen. These supposed to be the dining room. Okay, and put a table here. We eat out of family and stuff. But we're gonna turn this into like a office. Okay, for the business and stuff. But down here, I go here, this is the living room. Small, okay, small, okay. So small. But anyway, another thing I don't like is the fact that the AC is on the floor. It's not 30 feet. Because you know when dust get in there, and then it's gonna be everywhere. Like it's gonna, when dust get in the AC thing, and then it's gonna be flying everywhere. I don't like that part, can make you sick a lot. Then when you get here, it's my room. It's gonna be my room, okay? But the rooms are so small, y'all. So small, but we deal with it. Can't show you guys the closet. This closet is so small, but I'm gonna show you the other closet because, you know, for my own reason, I'm not gonna show that one. When you come here, the sink's so small too, but hey, we make it work. Make it work. There's stuff we haven't get yet. You know, that's like a mop. I never seen a mop like this. But the good thing is I like that kind of shower head thing. And this where you put your, you know, your towels, all those things, put them here. And when you go down there, you already had a bed set up here for my son, but my daughter room. But this is how the closets look like. They're so small. I don't know I'm gonna deal with them too small, but see how it goes. Okay, something here. Yep, this is the house, and then down here, that's where the magic gonna happen. That's where the magic gonna happen, yo. The shadow fall. Yep. And I said that's where the magic gonna happen because I'm gonna put inventories and stuff like that. That's where they're gonna be at. Okay. And I asked the landlord if there's not like animals here. He said no. So we can't work with it. Can't work with it. Put all the inventories here. Yes, guys, this is it, y'all. This is it. That's what a house in Evansville with basement look like. Evansville, Indiana. And you guys can guess how much I'm paying for this house in the comment section. If you guess the right amount, you get a price. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. I'm out. This is my washer and dryer. It's cool, y'all. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and guess how much this house here is every month. I'm out.